Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get airport lounge access with Natwest. So you need to come here on their website and go to the Premier section for the Premier Banking. If you have the Reward Black account, you get travel benefits. For example, airport lounge access to over 1,100 airport lounges. So you just come here and log in into membership services and apply for this plan. Okay, they have a lot of other benefits as well. For example, worldwide family travel insurance and no non-sterling transaction fee on a debit card purchases abroad. So you just need to come to their website. Remember Premier Banking, Premier Bank accounts. Go ahead and get this account, okay? And you get your reward black cards. Otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.